Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what's inside my kit bag. Firstly, to begin with, a cricket kit for any cricketer is the most special thing because as kids we all know how excited we used to be to get a new kit bag, new gear, pads, gloves, thigh pads, helmets, and new bats as well. So I think that just that feeling of getting new equipment for something you love doing is one thing that stays with all cricketers at all times. And I for one love packing my bag for any new series or tour, and that is probably one of the most calming things that I experience. Just the smell of new cricket gear and just packing up my bag nicely, just putting things nicely, knowing everything is organized is something that gives me a lot of joy. So today I'm going to show you what's in my practice kit bag. Okay, so here we go. As you can see in my shorts, I'm wearing a pair of my thigh pads, normal thigh and inner thigh already. Inside the bag, because I've just come back from my batting session, there's an extra RCB hat. There's my thigh guard that I love using. The inner thigh has gone for repair, but this one is the one that I've used for a long time now, and I just love how solid and compact it is. And it's got my test number on it. Not the one-day number, not ODI number, but test number, which is quite special to me. I've got my MRF pads, red for RCB. Really nice pads. I love getting new pairs. Probably every series and every tournament that I play, especially for the IPL, I get all new gear because it happens once a year. I think I have about 10 or 11 pairs of gloves, purely because we're playing in the UAE and it's hot and humid. So 11 pairs of gloves, and then I have got my special edition Puma 1/8 shoes. So one pair of these. This pair goes in the kit bag as well. These are a bit more customized for me. These ones go in the bag as well. So a couple of pairs of cricket spikes, and then if you come to the side pocket, I've got my grip cone, which is very important for a batsman, and I've got my bat stickers, which because I get my bats customized and I like to put stickers myself at home. Again, that's the thing that gives me more assurance with my bats when they're ready. And I just put out a video recently of slicing my bat handle as well, so I like to take care of these small little things. I got wristbands on. I probably have another one in there somewhere. So as I said, 8 plus 2, 10. So 2 more pairs of gloves. There we go. A helmet that goes in this big pocket. I've got sleeves to use while fielding, for elbows, for fielding sessions. I like to bring everything on the field so that I can do something or the other, and I should have everything ready in the bag rather than going back and forth and running back. And then I have these gloves which I use for fielding. Hands get sore over a period of time, so I need to protect those bones. I've got sweatbands, extra sweatbands for helmet, which is very crucial. And then I've got a little pouch which has a few things. It's got sunscreen, it's got a few cricket spikes, and it's got this Grip Tech cream, which I've been using for 4 years now. I love using this cream before I wear my gloves. It just gives me more control when I wear my gloves and I hold the bat. So this cream is very, very important to me. This is my helmet cover, again very important for protecting the helmet. And last but not the least, I've got this little zip at the back which holds 3 bats, but I'm only using 2 as of now. I've got another kit bag which has 8 more because it's a long tournament. We are here for 3 months, so I like to bring as many as possible. These 2 bats probably are the closest to the bats I use in the game, so that's what I like using at practice. I mean, most of my bats are similar, but I protect most of them. So these 2 are the ones that have been exposed. As you can see, one has been repaired as well. And yeah, I'm not gonna touch match bats till the game start. So these 2 have to go through all the work till then. And I can't practice without this guy.
Let me tell you, what did he tell you about these bat compartments here? You know what this is for? Virat designed this because everyone wants to steal these bats, so he hides them there so no one can find them under the bag. That's what those compartments are for. And I'm going to steal it now because I know about them.
That's correct. I've got 10 bats because historically I've got 6, and midway through the season I'm left with 3 because the guys just are at me all the time. Give me one bat, give me one bat, and if I crack one, I don't get them repaired, I'll just give it off. But this time around I've started getting it repaired because I know how important these bats are for practice, so that I don't break my match bats at practice. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of my kit bag and the things I use and the things that are useful for me especially, and I'm sure any other batsman as well. Cheers.